what's up everyone? Welcome to Trending Diary. This Independence Day, we came out to the street of Delhi and asked everyone what does freedom mean to them. And there's another question that I always love to ask my guests. What is the one trend they want to see embraced this Independence Day? Let's come. Hey,
Hi,
tell us your name.
Prateek Pandey.
Prateek.
Anuj.
Anuj. So Anuj, what does freedom mean to you? Okay, what's freedom? Does freedom mean to you?
So freedom is like we should be self-dependent, all of us, and there are all the basic necessities should be provided to everyone. Like there are many people who are already struggling on many things. So like all these things should not happen now because we are having more than 75 years of independence. So we should be good on the basic necessities as per the
Great,
constitution.
great. Appreciate that. And if there's a one trend Prateek, that you would like to see more embrace of this independence, what's that one trend? Could be anything.
It could be like we should walk freely anytime, anywhere, wherever you want to.
Okay. Thank you so much. Hi.
हाय
आपका नाम क्या है?
नीना
This side we
वीर.
yes.
नीना.
Yes.
So नीना, आपके लिए आज़ादी का महत्व क्या है?
लाइक ठीक है सिटिंग है, हम जहाँ बैठे हैं आराम से, हम एक दूसरे से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं, तो इतनी खुली एनवायरनमेंट में बैठे हैं. हमारे आज़ादी का मतलब यही है कि अपने देश की खुली हवा में हम सांस ले पा रहे हैं, किसी के ऑब्जेक्शंस के बिना, किसी के रोक टोक के बिना. मेरे तो आज़ादी यही है, अपने एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लाइक अभी आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं, ये भी आज़ादी है कि मैं अपने व्यूज़ आपको बोल सकती हूँ. उसके लिए मुझे किसी को सोचना है, किसी से परमिशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दिस इज़ मीन फ्रीडम फॉर मी.
और एक ट्रेंड या एक ऐसी चीज़ जो आप इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बाद या फिर इस इंडिपेंडेंस डे के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस, सबसे ज़्यादा निखरता हुआ देखना चाहेंगे हमारे देश में, हमारी दुनिया में, तो वो क्या होगा?
देखो, अब से पहले तो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था कि हर घर तिरंगा हो. सबसे पहले तो हर घर तिरंगा है, फिर उसका महत्व आपको पता होना चाहिए कि तिरंगा क्या है. मैं तो एक उम्मीद करूँगा, एक रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा आपसे, भाई आज़ादी दिवस मनाओ या मत मनाओ, पर जब 16 अगस्त को अगर आपको कोई तिरंगा सड़क पे मिले तो उसे उठा करके सल्यूट करना. यही मेरा देश है, यही मेरा भारत है, यही आज़ादी का दिवस है. और जय हिंद, जय भारत, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
Jai Hind. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'm already loving the energy of this place, and let's move on and see what other people have to say. Hey, what's up?
Hi, Mohammed Abangi.
Yes,
What's going on?
I'm good. Thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Ubesh Dada.
What does that mean?
It's meant flame.
Flame.
Yes.
Nice name. Okay, so what do you think? What is the one trend that you want to see more embrace in this new era? Or what is the one trend you want to see more embrace on this Independence Day? एक ऐसा trend.
Ma'am, we are thinking that all the people are coming on one place and choose the independence because our generation will not do the freedom and we don't think anything. तो हमें जो है एक साथ रहना चाहिए मैम. हमारी जो 5 जनरेशन थी उनको बहुत सारे अत्याचार हुए मैम उन पर, तो उनके लिए थोड़ा सा मैम पास यूज़ करना चाहिए हमें. लाइक ड्रेसअप ले लेना चाहिए ताकि उनकी थोड़ी जो आज आइडेंटिटी है उनको हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकें, जो उन पर जुल्म हुए तो सब दिखा सकें मैम, ताकि लोगों को याद रहे कि किस हिसाब से फ्रीडम मिली है. That's why.
You want more empathy and more unity in this world.
Yes ma'am.
I like that. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much. Hey, what's up?
All good, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Shaleen.
So Shaleen, what special you are doing on this Independence Day? What is the meaning of independence for you? What is the essence of freedom for you?
I think freedom of speech is the biggest element of freedom. I think I am able to speak whatever I want to is the biggest aspect of freedom. You guys are recording this video. The media has the right to publish whatever they want to. That's come under freedom.
That's good. If there's a one trend that you would like to see more embraced, what is the one trend that you love to, see more evolved on this Independence Day, on this era? What does that seem like?
I may be wrong, but I think India is very much divided into regions and religions. I don't see India as a unit, as a single unit. So I want to see people coming as if we are Indians, as a single unit, not like we are Hindus or we are from some part of India, right? So this is the biggest change I want to see in the coming of years.
Unity, the oneness.
Unity. Right.
Thank you so much. Hey, what's up? Tell us your name. I'm good.
Shubhra, my name is Shubhra.
Shubhra. What does Shubhra mean?
It's like सफेद साफ स्वच्छ सुंदर.
Okay, that's beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, so it's Independence Day. We have this na Shwet. This comes with the lion. That Shwet means this.
Okay.
Shubhra.
Shubhra.
Shubhra Jyotsna
Shubhra.
Pulkit Yamanim. Shubhra is white.
Shubhra, nice name. So Shubhra, what is the one, what is the meaning of freedom for you? What is the essence of the freedom for
Okay,
you?
for me, freedom is doing what you want to do, and you should not be accountable to anyone. Like if you're making any choice, you should not justify it, or you should not be, obligated to explain, okay, why I'm doing this. To parents, to anyone, like you make your choices, be proud of it, own it. I think that is freedom.
Be decision makers.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Tell us, good. Tell us your name.
Name Anjali.
Anjali. So Anjali, what is the one trend you like to see more embrace this Independence Day? What does that seem like?
See, there are many trends over there, but I want this freedom to be continued, especially for girls. I mean, the girls are doing the things like they are growing themselves, they are doing whatever they want to do. I want this trend to be continued. I don't want any bad things like rape and these things. So as per me, the girls are doing well, and I don't want to anyone take wrong decisions or गलत फायदा उठाने वाली things. I don't want that. So,
More women empowerment.
Exactly. And I don't also want कि वो गलत फायदा ना उठाएं इन चीज़ों का. So that is trend for me. As per me, it's my
I
opinion.
like that. I love that. No one has said that, so yeah, I
Yeah,
appreciate
obviously मतलब गलत फायदा आप नहीं उठाओ तो then till the time ये better है. But
it. Enjoy it, but in the right
enjoy
way.
your freedom.
For the right influence.
Exactly.
Good. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.